Hi guys, there we are by the Cecilia forest on a hike. Ishal is gone already up before me and she's too excited. And there Firdaus, I'm the one at the last. It's quite beautiful. There's a few waterfalls. I'll try to also catch in the video. Firdaus, say hi. I need to keep up with Ishal, she's too energetic and way ahead. Wow. Okay. Firdaus, how come Ishal is not tired yet?
I don't know, how did she get up here? That's my question.
I think I would need help. Ooh. At every hurdle, I need my wife. Isha, Baba, how are you not tired? How come you're not tired?